There are many gun control advocates out there. Some are very stupid, like Freetort Water, who calls modern logic utter crap. But the gun control advocate groups themselves are not as stupid as we think. They know the human mind inside and out. They know the psychology of the human mind and how to manipulate it. Like serial killers, they are cold, calculating, and picking on the weakest prey, Homerics and children. They are well aware that our way of perceiving reality is influenced by our background, and they know that the backgrounds of children and Homerics are easily hacked by emotion and passion. This is the reason why they appeal to fear in their videos, which use scare tactics and lies. These are specifically aimed at children to hardwire their brains into fearing guns. The Homerics cannot reason for themselves and are easily persuaded by myths and fake numbers that appear to be real. The Brady campaign, Bloomberg, and Tom DeLay know this and are preying upon young kids like a sick and disgusting pedophile. Rebecca Peters of the United Nations is the ringleader of all organizations, and she knows that children and Homerics are easily persuaded by Trojan horses, such as Amnesty International. Isn't it odd that the so-called human rights group opposes the right to self-defense and independence? Don't you find it strange that they work for perhaps the most anti-human rights group in the world? Like any predator, they seek the weakest people and those with the weakest mind. The world is basically a giant game of chess. On the bad side are the bad Platonics who use Homerics as pawns. The other side are us, the good Platonics, who seek to convert Homerics into Platonics and make them aware of how the bad side works. Only slavery awaits those who join in the bad side of this game.